scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Calculus limits can look intimidating, but solving this specific problem is actually super quick if you know the right steps. Let us dive into the math. Since both functions approach infinity, we apply L'Hopital's rule. This allows us to replace the ratio of the functions with the ratio of their derivatives as x approaches infinity. Boom! Now substitute the given limits of the derivatives. We're told the limit of f prime is 8 and g prime is 2, so the ratio simplifies to 8 divided by 2.
Finally, do not forget the constant term in the expression. We add 6 to our previous result of 4 to reach the final limit of 10. You got this, team!
Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid dropping the constant and always remember to add all terms using L'Hopital's rule correctly.